Hi everyone, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, well known to be the Ultimate Gardener. I'm a 16-year-old gardening educator down here in South Florida, and which tries to inspire others to get their hands in the dirt and grow their own gardens. So in today's exciting sprouting video, I wanted to sit down and talk to you guys about a huge announcement that I'm ready to announce to you guys about a project that I've been anticipating to release for some time now. So if you want to know what this huge exciting announcement is, please stay tuned with us. So throughout these 3 years of documenting my journey with you guys on YouTube, on Instagram, and on TikTok, I had multiple different ideas or concepts rise up to the surface, and only one of them stuck with me, and that's been worked on for the past few months. And so I know if you guys been with me for about a year or two, you guys know that I attempted to start my own business by selling live plants to you guys, but unfortunately that concept did not come out to my expectations, and so I had to put that entire idea on a pause, and I had to readjust it or modify it to how I feel we would have success with. And so without further ado, my big announcement is that I'm finally opening up my own seed business to you guys. So my seed business is called Garden Grown Seeds, and these all seeds that I'm providing on my company is all grown or produced in my garden. I do not do no chemicals, no nothing. They're organically made, and these varieties are coming straight from the garden to you guys. And so for some time now, for years, I've been always wanting to opening my business because I love the idea of sharing my products with you guys and having you guys follow along the journey and have you guys have the same excitement with me. And so about a few months ago, the idea was surfaced about a seed business, and I did attempt it. I did reattempt it, but never came out to once again what my expectations was. But I did keep it on a hold, and I was working on it. So I did recreate a full logo. I recreated the title and everything, and it finally came out to how I wanted it to be. And I'm wanting to announce this to you guys just in case you guys are interested in supporting my business and it's succeeding, because I've been always wanting to open this business. And if you guys want to see this platform, Ultimate Gardening, take a step further by supporting my business, it will allow it to do that to the full maximum. I was able to announce this through TikTok because my business does have a TikTok called Garden Grown Seeds, and you're able to see everything I do over there. And although I only have about 5 listings of seed varieties currently, because I just recently opened up and I'm recently starting to produce more seed varieties, but there is only 5 varieties on my website that are available for purchase right now, which those 5 varieties are Loofah, Pinto Beans, red Cranberry Hibiscus, pink Cranberry Hibiscus, and we have finally, which is blue Butterfly Pea. Those are the 5 varieties that are able to be purchased right now through the Garden Grown Seed Company. And to place an order is not through a website. I don't have the funds or the time expand to open up a website quite yet. And so I wanted to do an idea where I'll be able to have orders being placed and, etc. in that area. So if you're interested in purchasing or placing an order with the Garden Grown Seed Company, you will have to shoot me an email at gardengrownseeds@gmail.com, and then through there you'll let me know what you're interested in, and then from there I'll reply to you guys with the prices and shipping costs, as well as if I'm available in shipping these seeds to your location, and then we'll move on forward from there. I'm super excited to have this seed business open up. I already had a few emails surface in from the TikTok videos I've been posting, and hopefully I'll have a few more orders through here. And so if you're interested in supporting the Ultimate Gardening platform, feel free to just purchase some seeds over at my business that I'm opening up. And the prices are absolutely not expensive at all. They're actually more modified to nowadays, and so I just want to have my seeds to just share out in the world with other gardeners out there, and I already shipped some samples out to some gardeners, and so I'm excited for that. Of course, when time comes, I will be expanding to live plants and etc. because since the get-go, I've been always wanting to sell live plants via shipping wise. And I do have a few plans or ideas in mind, but I just have to figure out the concept, the shipping costs, etc. for how that will work out. And so that was my huge announcement for you guys. Hopefully you guys are able to support the Ultimate Gardening page as well as my new business now, the Garden Grown Seeds. And I am just super excited to have this project move forward and finally announce it to you guys. So thank you all so much for all the love and support you guys have been showing to me for the past 3 years, and I can't wait to start a whole new era with you guys with my seed business, and I can't wait to teach you guys more about growing your own gardens as well. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you learned something new, please leave a like down below, and while you're down there, please consider subscribing to show the Ultimate Gardening channel some support, as well as leave me any video suggestions you would like down below on the comment section below, and I'll gladly do them. Thank you all so much for watching this video. May God bless you and your entire family, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.